Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering Microsoft Entra ID, Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service. Quick heads up, this video is concepts only. Next video is the full hands-on demo, so think of this as the foundation. Entra ID controls who gets access to what in your organization, whether someone's logging into Microsoft 365, Azure, or any connected app. Entra ID is authenticating them and enforcing what you can do. You might know it as Azure Active Directory. Same thing, just rebranded. Let's get into it. First up, users. This is where every identity in your organization lives. Names, usernames, job titles, all of it. Everything else we are covering starts here. No users, nothing to manage. Once you have users, you need to control who has admin access and how much. That's roles and admins. Each role carries specific permissions. So, the help desk administrator role, for example, can reset passwords but doesn't have full control over the environment. Give people only what they need, nothing more. The more secure way to handle this is through PIM, or Privileged Identity Management, where roles are activated on demand and expire after a set time. Dedicated video coming for that one. Groups is how you manage access at scale. Instead of assigning permissions user by user, you put your people into groups and assign access at the group level. Everyone in that group inherits it automatically. This is much easier to manage as your organization grows. Now, MFA. Microsoft actually enforces this on your tenant by default through security defaults. It's an out-of-the-box to ensure a baseline level of security is met. It works, but it's rigid and doesn't give you much control. That's where conditional access comes in. Conditional access is where you get full control. You define who MFA applies to, under what conditions, and what happens when those conditions are met. Signing in from an unknown location, require MFA, or block access entirely. Your call. One important thing though, once you start using conditional access for MFA, security defaults need to be turned off. You can't run both. This is a deliberate step up to a more controlled security posture. And that covers the core concepts: users, roles, groups, MFA, and conditional access. Next video, we are going hands-on, creating users, groups, assigning roles, and I will be activating an Entra ID P2 trial so we can properly demo PIM as well. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.